In a recent promotional article, Ripple CTO David Schwartz praised the possibilities of the XRP ledger, specifically addressing Franklin Templeton, a $1.4 trillion asset manager. What advantages can XRP offer in a single connection, though, given that research has shown the percentage of XRP used in Ripple payment transactions carried out via RippleNet, the company's network of financial institutions for cross-border payments? Furthermore, knowledgeable crypto chartist Egreg has maintained his bullish prediction for XRP. That being said, after the cryptocurrency's first anticipated 500% increase, would it be able to reach $2.80 when the current correction is over? The XRP community is eager to see the emails between the parties regarding the decision to list and delist XRP, as many crypto analysts have speculated that the SEC versus Coinbase lawsuit may go to discovery. However, the key question still stands: will the Coinbase email regarding XRP be used as a determining factor in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit? A phase of convergence between the cryptocurrency industry and traditional finance has begun with the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Notably, a growing number of TradFi behemoths are turning their attention to cryptocurrency, and one of the biggest asset managers in the world, Franklin Templeton, has chosen to follow suit. One of the companies that applied for a position in the BTC ETF was Franklin Templeton, which has over $1.41 trillion in assets under management. Last week, its Franklin Bitcoin ETF was authorized along with 11 other organizations. The asset manager's X account has not stopped promoting cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in several postings. It's interesting to note that on January 11th, they altered the image of their X display to include laser eyes, which caused comments from the Bitcoin and larger crypto communities. The two distinct posts that Franklin Templeton wrote to highlight the developing ecosystems of the Ethereum and Solana networks were the most recent developments. The asset manager may have its sights set on the pair based on these posts from last night. Franklin Templeton mentioned that in addition to Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, there are additional Layer 1 blockchain networks that have promised shortly after highlighting Solana and Ethereum. The asset management promised to keep an eye on, advance, and assist these networks. The XRP ledger was brought to the attention of the Ripple CTO in response. Some of the best characteristics of the blockchain ecosystem are present in the XRPL, such as very fast transactions and minimal fees. Therefore, supporters of the XRPL have not hesitated to draw attention to these qualities. David Schwartz, one of the original developers of Ledger, responded to Franklin Templeton by highlighting the stability and dependability of the XRPL, which has managed millions of transactions quickly and affordably for more than a decade. Schwartz underlined how unique the XRPL is in terms of tokenization and the trading of physical and virtual goods. It is important to note that in a post from yesterday, Franklin Templeton also alluded to a possible focus on tokenizing real-world assets. Additionally, the XRPL is moving toward the tokenization of physical assets, a nascent market that TradFi behemoths like JP Morgan are pursuing, as the CTO of Ripple noted in a previous interview. Crypto supporters generally agree that the fund manager is now expanding its perspective to evaluate other crypto assets than Bitcoin, even though Franklin Templeton's intentions for the most recent disclosures are still unknown. The larger XRP community has responded favorably to Schwartz's comments and has persisted in advocating for inclusion in the XRP ETF. Industry observers point to XRP's legal clarity as a solid foundation for the launch of a spot XRP ETF, notwithstanding disagreements on the security status of assets like Solana. Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. In a press release from SCBX subsidiary SCB, in about half of the transactions made on RippleNet, according to a report by SCBX subsidiary SCB10X, XRP serves as a bridge asset. 10 times, or around 50% of all transactions on RippleNet, are carried out with XRP acting as a bridge asset. This revelation followed an interview at a DeFi and Web3 symposium with Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, and Mukaya Penich, CEO of SCB10X. In a recent post on X, a prominent member of the XRP community, Radhoff Kahneman, brought attention to the report. The article specifically said that 50% of transactions on RippleNet, which has since been merged into Ripple Payments, pass via Ripple's cross-border payment system, which uses XRP as a mediator between fiat currencies. With the use of this service, consumers may efficiently make purchases for a fraction of the usual cost and conduct transactions with ease. Additionally, the CEO of Ripple emphasized in the interview that the XRP-based payment service was not limited to the U.S. Rather, it is increasing its global footprint. In addition, the research mentioned that RippleNet is the first cryptocurrency service provider for companies that actively carry out their mission. It was committed to establishing credibility in the sector and placed a strong emphasis on practical application. Notably, the massive American payment company redesigned its RippleNet offering and launched it as Ripple Payments. At its Swell conference in December of last year, Ripple first introduced the new solution. The company revealed at the launch that RippleNet had used cryptocurrencies to power faster, more affordable, and more reliable cross-border payments for financial institutions. But the corporation also noticed a noteworthy trend: small and medium-sized businesses were becoming more and more interested. In particular, SMEs are currently investigating blockchain solutions for numerous financial tasks despite frequently having lower resources and less experience with cryptocurrency. Ripple changed RippleNet into Ripple Payments in response to this demand, simplifying it into a more user-friendly, plug-and-play cross-border payments solution for companies worldwide. Ripple Payments, an end-to-end payments service that has recently received licensing, lessens the complexity of crypto knowledge for SMEs. They have instant access to over 70 payout markets through a single connection thanks to it. In addition, an updated analysis was conducted. In an update to a previous post regarding the possible trajectory of XRP, a new analysis was discovered. Although YRP was referring to an impending price explosion, the previous report, which was released in December of last year, predicted an impending price surge for XRP. The report used an inverted chart to mockingly refer to this anticipated rally as an XRP crash. However, the chart also showed that the analyst anticipates that XRP will experience a correction before this price explosion. XRP was trading at 54 cents at the moment, part of a gradual but consistent upward trend. The chart showed a lower trend line that sloped upward during the rally, indicating several points of support for XRP. Notably, XRP has continued to find support at higher lows, which is why this trend line sloped upward. However, after experiencing price declines over the previous 3 years, XRP has frequently retested the trend line. When XRP fell to a low of 17 cents in December 2020, it was the first time it had hit the trend line. After that, in June 2022, it dropped to 28 cents and tested the trend line once more. January 2023 saw XRP drop to 30 cents and then retest the trend line that was previously sustaining it. According to YRP's analysis from December 2023, the cryptocurrency token would have a price spike after recording another decline to retest the trendline support. Interestingly, this prediction has come true. Remember how XRP plummeted to 50 cents on January 3rd alongside the rest of the market? The asset saw another decline last Friday with Bitcoin's retreat, albeit making a comeback. XRP has dropped to the support level of the trend line as a result of this correction. With this most recent retest, XRP is likely descending to test the trendline support for the fourth time. According to YRP's chart, this pattern has already occurred once. Information shows that XRP took comparable actions in June 2014 and December 2017. For distinct declines in the asset led to retests of the trendline that provided support. But following the fourth attempt at testing, XRP surged to a record high of $3.31 in January 2018. This identical tendency, according to YRP, is about to happen. However, the analyst anticipates that when the current downturn ends, there will be a 500% initial rally. He claims that this 500% increase, which would push XRP into the $2.80 price range, is just the beginning of a much larger rally. In the meantime, the XRP decline has persisted, and the bears continue to control the larger cryptocurrency market. XRP is down 0.44% on the market this morning, trading at 54 cents. Over the past day, there has been a 5.7% rise in trade volume for the coin. Will the Ripple v. SEC case consider the Coinbase email about XRP as a deciding factor? The main query of the day is this: will the Coinbase email about XRP have a role in the outcome of the Ripple v. SEC legal action? Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. The much-awaited hearing on Coinbase move to dismiss the U.S. Securities and Exchange complaint has already concluded. Notably, attorneys for both parties made an appearance before New York District Judge Catherine Polk-Fila yesterday to present their cases for the lawsuit's continuation or dismissal. For background, Coinbase was accused of breaking securities laws by the SEC in June. The SEC's allegations include the assertion that 13 cryptocurrency assets, including FIL, SAND, AXS, Solana, and Cardano, that are listed on Coinbase are unregistered securities. The exchange's staking function was likewise classified as a security by the regulator. Conversely, Coinbase is requesting that the judge dismiss the action, arguing that since its users do not exchange any underlying investment contracts when trading, the assets displayed on its trading platform do not qualify as securities. The San Francisco-based exchange also cited the major questions doctrine in its dismissal argument, which claims that Congress has not given the SEC permission to regulate a cutting-edge industry like cryptocurrency. Paul Grewal, the chief legal officer at Coinbase, responded to yesterday's hearing's findings on the X platform. Prominent legal expert James Murphy, also known as MetaLawman, who has been following the Coinbase litigation attentively, commented and emphasized that neither party delivered a devastating blow to the other before the hearing concluded. The parties debated the merits of Judge Jed Rakoff's and Judge Annalisa Torres' rulings in the Terra and Ripple cases, respectively, as was to be expected. Will the communications between Coinbase and the SEC about XRP be disclosed in the lawsuit, then? Since many cryptocurrency fans were anticipating that the matter would move on to the discovery stage, Ashley Prosper, a member of the XRP community, mentioned that he was curious to see what correspondence the SEC and Coinbase had exchanged over XRP. Remember that early in 2021, Coinbase delisted XRP following the SEC's accusation that the coin was a security? The exchange's decision shocked the cryptocurrency community because Coinbase has consistently claimed that it follows a strict vetting process that the SEC examines to ensure that it does not offer assets classified as securities. Pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan claims that Coinbase's choice to list and delist XRP demonstrated that either the exchange's stringent procedures were not followed during the XRP listing process or that the exchange delisted XRP, even though it is not a security, to appease the SEC. It's interesting to notice that, similar to the Hinman speech, he mentioned that the regulator would wish to preserve the correspondence between the SEC and Coinbase about XRP. In the Ripple case, the Hinman speech document was made public following more than 18 months of hard legal litigation. If the case ever goes to discovery, it remains to be seen if the regulator will defend its correspondence with Coinbase about XRP. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Verify that you enjoy the video, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by forwarding this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread this word far and wide. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, make sure to read all of our material. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our community as a whole.